Hello children, now we are going to start with a new topic of grammar, that is nouns, genders. Nouns, genders. Gender tells us whether the person or an animal is a male or a female. Types of genders. Children, there are four types of genders. First is feminine gender. Second is masculine gender. Third is common gender, and the last is neuter gender. Children, first we'll see feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female person or a female animal is called feminine gender. For example, sister, mother. Do you know children? Even animals and birds are having genders. For example, hen. Hen is a female. So, hen will come under feminine gender. We'll see some more genders. Masculine gender, a noun that refers to a male person or a male animal is masculine gender. For example, man, boy. See children, your father, your brother, your grandfather, they all are male. So, they will come under masculine gender. Just now we saw hen is a female. Yes, so cock is a male. So, cock will come under masculine gender. Common gender, a noun that refers to both male and female is called common gender. Let's see some examples. That is a cute baby. See children, in this sentence baby is a common gender because we always say baby boy and baby girl. Yes, so baby is a common gender. Second sentence is all the doctors are working very hard in this pandemic situation. Doctors comes under common gender because doctors are male also and female also. So doctors is a common gender. My parents are very caring. See children, in this sentence I am talking about both the parents, mother and father. So parents is a common gender. Children, let's see this example. The books are kept on the table. Can you tell me the gender of books and table? No, it's neither a male nor a female. But do you know children, they have a gender. Let's see. A noun that refers to a non-living and a living thing, that is neither a male nor female, is called a neuter gender. For example, the books are kept on the table. In this sentence, books and table are neuter gender. Look at that beautiful green tree. Children, in this sentence, tree is a neuter gender because it is neither a male nor a female. So, tree is a neuter gender. Next is, this pillow is soft. Pillow is a non-living thing. So, pillow is a neuter gender. Children, now let's see some examples of feminine gender to masculine gender. Feminine gender, masculine gender. Woman. The masculine gender is man. Peahen is a feminine gender. Peacock is a masculine gender. Niece is a feminine gender. Masculine gender of niece is nephew. Madam is a feminine gender. Sir is a masculine gender. Vixen is a feminine gender. Fox is the masculine gender for it. Children, I hope you all have understood genders. Take care children. Stay safe.